Okay, so I'm going to start to moisturize my face with my Olay Henrikson Mattifying Moisture Cream. I picked this up from Sephora. I'm also going to be adding my Makeup Forever Step 1 Mattifying Primer to my T-zones and everywhere that I get oily. This helps with oil control throughout the day. And now it's time for the brows. I'm going to go in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and start with the spoolie by prepping my brows by brushing them. So now I'm going to prep my eyes for eyeshadow by adding some concealer. This concealer is from Ruby Kisses. I got this from my local beauty supply store. So whatever concealer you want to use to prep your eyes is fine, but I use Ruby Kisses from my local beauty supply store. So after the concealer, I'm going to set with my Master Fix Maybelline powder. This is to set the concealer in so that I can go ahead and um, apply my eyeshadow. Okay, so now eyeshadow. I'm going to be working with the Saharian palette by Javia's Place. And I'm going to start with the orange from that palette. Okay, since I'm doing a green eye look, I'm going to be going in with the darkest color from that Saharian palette. And that is the black. And I'm going to be working that into my outer corner all the way around into my crease. Do this to both eyes, blending out as much as possible. Now I'm going in with the green shimmery color from that same Saharian palette, and I'm going to pat that in all the way up to my crease into the corner of my eye. Went back into that palette and repeated the same process on the other eye. Now I'm going to go back into that black, go into the corner of my eye and blend that out to erase any harsh lines and to make sure that it blends seamlessly. Now I'm going to go in and create my wing. This has to be the hardest part for me. I'm still learning and still trying to get better at it as the days go on. Okay, wings are done. Now it's time for makeup. I'm going to go in with this Kisses by Ruby Kiss foundation. Got this from my local beauty supply store and I decided to try it out today. So here goes. This powder was a little bit hard to put on, so I had to just pat it into my face. But overall, I think that it actually did a pretty good job. Let me know what you think. And now it's time for concealer. I'm still going in with Ruby Kisses. I'm going under my eyes, and I'm gonna also put this on my chin. And I'm gonna again to blend that all out. So all the places that I applied my concealer, I'm going to set that with my Sacha Buttercup powder just under my eyes and on my chin. Off camera, I added that concealer down my nose and on my forehead, so I went back in with that same Sacha Buttercup powder and decided to go ahead and bake. And now I'm going to contour with my Becca powder. I'll leave the description in the description box below. So now I brush that powder away and I am going to move on to highlights. I'm going to go ahead and start with this Becca highlights that I have. I don't remember the color, so it'll be in the description box below as well. Okay, so I'm going to go into my second palette from the Balm. I'm going to be utilizing this highlighter in the middle here, which is called Cindy Luminizer, and I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. I'm going to be doing this on both of my eyes. And finally, I'm going to go in with my favorite gloss from L'Oreal. It's Infallible. It is in the number 815, and it is called Barely Nude. Well, you guys, this kind of concludes it for this look. I hope you guys like it. Any comments will be welcomed. So leave them in the comments box below. Thank you for watching. Bye.